Alright guys, so today we have Amazon's cheapest boat, and our goal today is to catch a single fish on this boat. It's the Intex Explorer. It's a really cheap little raft, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we can catch anything. See, we just got out on the water, and the first thing I actually noticed is this boat is super stable. Like, it's extremely stable for the size. I thought it was gonna be a lot less stable, but it is pretty stable. We just got out here, and I'm just using this little paddle tail, and we're gonna see if we can catch anything. All right, first cast. Hey, no bites so far, but I'm gonna go ahead and paddle a little closer to shore, see if we can get any luck. So this boat has these oar locks when you can use oars, but I bought it without the oars, and I'm just using these paddles I have. And it's working out fine. So hopefully we can get something here. Oh, we just had one, guys. We just missed one. Just got absolutely slammed. Let's see if we can get him. I don't know what it was. Oh, no. We had one, guys. We just had a bite. We are getting blown around pretty seriously now. We're moving, but it's not terrible. Still, we can still get away with some casts. Hopefully we can land one right now. Get one in the boat. Yeah, we're gonna use phones. Alright, we've made it to the little log. And I have pretty good, I'm hoping that we have a pretty good chance to catch something here, because it looks really good. There's some structure. So this boat spins a lot, which kind of sucks, because you'll be going to a spot, and then will just spin. But yeah, it definitely isn't the best. You have to keep paddling the spot. Okay, so we made it to the log here. Nope, no bites on the first cast. Go ahead and get closer. Let's get up in there. I'm just letting it drop to the bottom. Oh, we got one, guys. Fish on. What do we have here? Oh, we got a little perch, guys. That's pretty cool. We got the first catch of the day on the Intex Explorer right here. Oh, let me unhook it. Just a little perch right here. Caught it on the paddle tail. So let's go ahead and release it. So yeah, that proves that we can catch fish on this little boat. The wind, as you can see, pushed me really far in, but we did get one on the boat, so that's nice. Let's see if we can get anything else. I just caught him on the fall. I was throwing it out there, letting it sink, and then kind of jigging off the bottom, and he bit just as it was falling. So I'm gonna see if we can get another one. Just a little perch. Oh, we got one, guys. Oh, it's a nicer fish. What do we get here? A perch. Let's get him in the boat. One of our first 5 casts, and we got him on this new lure. He just got a treble hook. I think that treble hook really helped us hook him up here. Let's release him, but yep, that's the second fish in the boat, so it's pretty good. There he is. Go ahead and make sure everything's fine here. It's a little fish here. Go ahead and release him. I'm gonna go ahead and release him. Well, that was the second fish of the day. We went ahead and we got him on the little blade bait. So hopefully we can get something else. I thought he was bigger, honestly. I thought it was a trout because of the lure we were using. But it's a little better sized perch, still pretty small guy. But hopefully we can get some more. But yeah, it's pretty surprising actually that we are catching fish on this little boat. I thought it was going to be more of kind of a toy, but you know, it works. I'm just throwing it out and just jigging it because it's sinking so fast. I'm not ready. It falls pretty quickly, so I'm just constantly jigging it, and that's how I got that one. Alright guys, so today we had a pretty good day taking this little Intex Explorer out. It's a pretty nice boat for 20 bucks. I mean, it's probably the best thing you can get in this price range. And yeah, I mean, honestly, if you don't really have anywhere to store a boat, or you just aren't on a budget, this is a great inflatable boat for only 20 bucks. You can pick it up on Amazon. They do make a bigger size. I would definitely recommend that if you're taller or bigger, because it's just a really cramped boat. But if you just want to get out on the water, I definitely recommend this one. I wouldn't take it out on a windy day. There's definitely some cons. It gets blown around pretty easily. But overall, I would definitely recommend this boat. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and follow button. And stay tuned for our next videos.